Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to another video on the Koolballoon channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make thumbnails. Now I'm going to be talking about PhotoJet. That's what I've started using to make my thumbnails. As you can see over here, I just posted a clip earlier today, but I also used PhotoJet on these two, and I think they both look pretty clean and get the point across. Like my Rocket League video or a video on OBS, which I'm conveniently using to record right now. But thumbnails are super important because they are what attracts people to your content. So if I'm scrolling down, I'm just probably going to click on the video with the best thumbnail. And so probably Blarg or Grizzy both have very good thumbnails, so I probably click on Blarg just because it looks really nice. So thumbnails are super important when trying to make videos for YouTube. So that's why I'm doing this video. PhotoJet, super easy to use and super easy to understand. So just going to simply click Create a Design. Now it's going to load you in, and then it's going to have a bunch of different options you can choose from. As you can see, you can make a poster, invitation, card, magazine, a ton of stuff. And like that's just their most popular. And you can even do YouTube channel art, which is also very important. I might do a video on later. Comment down below if you want to see that. But you're just going to scroll down and it says social media header. And now this is going to find where you want because it's in the social media section, and we're just going to simply click on thumbnail. When we click on thumbnail, it's going to load us into just a default white screen. This is the template area and what we have to pick from. As you can see, we can do a free trial of PhotoJet for the PhotoJet Premium, where we can get these premium templates or starters. Obviously don't have premium right now, so I can only pick from the non-premium stuff. They have a ton of different categories for templates that you can pick from. As you can see here, we got tutorials, we got animals, we've got emotion, nature, birthday, misc. I don't even know what that means, but all that kind of stuff. We'll just see what they have in tutorial. Now we can click here, just click on a random one. We'll look at this one here. It says 5 steps to manage plans. What if we did? We can get rid of this, and you literally click on it, loads in, and you can immediately edit everything in it. If I want to get rid of the words, I can do that and be like YT thumbnail how to, and then this will be what I choose to use for the thumbnail on this video, so you can see how it turns out while I'm making it. So if we want to just be like Koolballoon, we can change the font, the color. So let's change the color so we can see it a little bit more. A gray isn't optimum. We'll do a purple. How about that? And let's also make it bigger. So we'll do, let's see. Let's go with 72 down here. And now, as you can see, it's super big, so all we have to do is space it out here. And we can even move everything in the background. Just going to put that back where it was. Drag it out. And pull that. And position everything in it in the thumbnail exactly where I want it. So if I want to rotate it, I can rotate it to the side, put it over here. So it says Koolballoon on the side, and this will be the thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail how to. So it's super simple. If you want to do it like a tutorial thumbnail, I just made it for you. This will be the exact thumbnail I'm using on this video, as you can see right here. So yeah, super easy to understand. As you can see, we've been recording for all of 4.5 minutes already. So hope this helped you out. Make sure to go over there, click on my channel, click the subscribe button. Super close to 100 subscribers, super excited to get there. So have a great day and peace.